Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you about the Huobi exchange. Huobi is a major exchange founded in 2013. It is one of my favorite exchanges. Huobi offers profitable activities to its users. I have witnessed many users making significant profits from pre-sales on Huobi. Hopefully, we can achieve good profits in upcoming activities and pre-sales. It is important to be familiar with all exchanges to not miss out on earning opportunities, because not every coin may be listed on every exchange. For example, a coin listed on Huobi may not be available on another exchange. The way to acquire any desired coin is to have an account on every exchange. Huobi in particular holds great importance because it has its own token called Huobi token. I mentioned something before when talking about the MaxC exchange. Exchange tokens are always significant because they have a solid source of revenue. This source comes from the commissions they receive through trading activities. When you engage in any trading transaction, exchanges like Huobi deduct a small commission fee, but due to their large user base, they constantly profit. Moreover, these crypto exchanges often require the staking of their own cryptocurrencies in their activities. This typically leads to an increase in the value of exchange tokens. Tokens like PNB, MX, Huobi, and KuCoin are exchange tokens, and they are truly important. We will examine each of them separately later, but for now, let's continue getting to know the Huobi platform. You can sign up for Huobi using the discounted referral link below the video. If you do so, you will benefit from a commission discount. After clicking the link, you will see my referral code. Enter your email or phone number here and sign up. Now let's familiarize ourselves with Huobi from the beginning. After completing your registration, you will see this screen. The first thing you need to do is complete the identity verification. It appears this way because I have already verified my identity. You will follow the steps shown here to verify your identity. If you wish, you can use the steps shown here to enhance the security of your account. You can even link your Apple, Google, and Telegram accounts. Now let's go to the homepage. There are various reward activities available on the homepage. You can explore them. I will continue introducing the exchange for now. I will review the activities in separate videos, and I will share all the lucrative opportunities in these activities on my YouTube channel. Yeah, let's continue. You can check your assets in the spot section. If you want to transfer funds from any other exchange to Huobi, you need to determine the cryptocurrency first. Prefer cryptocurrencies with low transaction fees when sending funds. I usually use Algo because I am used to it. However, you can choose different cryptocurrencies, but please attention to the networks. For example, if you want to send USDT, you need to select the TRC20 network. If you don't choose the correct network, you may lose your funds. So networks are quite important. I want to find my Algo address. Yes, this is my Algo address. Now I can send Algo to this address from different exchanges. I will send Algo from my Binance account to my Huobi account. For that, I went to my Binance Spot wallet and clicked on the withdraw button next to Algo. I pasted the copied address here, and I checked the network. Then I entered the amount of Algo. Okay, I confirm it. Yeah, I received the Algos I sent to my Huobi account. If I want to send these Algos from my Huobi account to another exchange, I will need to use the withdraw option just like I did earlier. We have learned how to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies. Now let's do some trading. I entered the trade spot section. Here you can see the chart for Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin USDT chart. Since I will be doing Algo trading, I am typing Algo here. I select the Algo USDT option. Yes, this is the chart for Algo. You can examine the chart from different time frames. On the right side, there is a trading board. Sellers of Algo are shown in red, while buyers of Algo are shown in green. I want to sell Algo. For this, I have 3 different order types to choose from. If you have a specific price in mind, and you want to buy Algo at that price, you need to use a limit order. You can enter any price that is suitable according to the table and wait for your algos to be sold. I entered a price here and wanted to sell algo, but since the current price of algo is not close to my price, my offer remained in the table. Look here. If you select the most suitable offer to sell algo quickly and click the sell button, you will have sold your algos. Okay, it's worked. Now I want to buy the algos I sold. I will do this through a market order. I select the market order option and I click the buy button. I quickly bought algo. I usually use limit orders. By the way, to pay less commission in your trades, you can hold Huobi tokens in your account. This will provide you with great advantages. Okay, let's also look at the stop order. This is actually a stop loss operation. Let's say the price of algo drops, and I don't want to incur further losses, and want to prevent my losses at a certain point. Now I entered the trigger price for algo here, so when algo drops to this price, I want to sell my algos at the price written below, because I want to prevent further losses. I specified the quantity here and click the sell button. By using this, I will prevent significant losses. Stop limit orders can also be used in different situations. Your selling price can be above the trigger price. These situations are usually used after conducting technical analysis. I will explain this in detail. Yeah, the buying and selling orders are as I explained. If the orders you placed are not executed, they will appear in the section below. Here you can view your order history. On the left side, you can add your frequently traded pairs to your favorites. Now let's go to the homepage. Here there are different sections. I will explain margin and futures trading later. In the earn section, there are different earning activities. If you want, you can earn income by investing in a specific cryptocurrency. Your investment style and earning rates will be shown here. You can think of it as earning interest. If you truly believe in a crypto project, you can invest in it through flexible or fixed methods and earn interest. In this section, there are also staking options. If you have any cryptocurrencies and don't intend to sell them, it is wise to stake them, because staking provides you with extra earnings. If you like the earning rates, you can participate in short-term or long-term staking programs. Finally, let me show you the NFT market. You can view the NFTs available for sale in this section. Yeah, I have tried to explain Huobi Exchange to you in its basics. I hope it has been helpful. Remember, we need to be ready for anything before the bull season arrives. See you in my next video.